Doki, make I ask you one question. Why be say when these children resume school, na so infection they get, so cough, cattrh, na im dem go dey carry come house?
Openly, when children are on holidays, their exposure to germs is less. The germs around the home are germs that their bodies are generally familiar with and can deal with. But when they are back in school and as they play together, they start to exchange germs. And then the body has to start a new learning process all over again. That is why I sang the song, "When you cough into your elbow," to teach children proper cough etiquette, which will reduce how much they spread germs.
And the other one where you sing, "Dirty hands spread germs, so I wash my hands all the time." So now to make sure say our children then they wash their hand well regularly and make them know they cough anyhow, they spread germs everywhere.